Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's a really fun video because I'm going to be doing a swimsuit unboxing. I got some swimsuits from Blackbough Swim. It's like an Instagram kind of swim place for my spring break trip next week, actually 1 week from today, which is very exciting. And I decided to leave it in the package and unbox it because with those Instagram brands that you see a lot of really good pictures of, you can actually like try them on in store and like see for yourself and feel the material. I feel like videos and review videos are very helpful when it's actually real people that have bought them and not like paid promoters, influencers and stuff. So let's get started. It comes in a cute little bag, no complaints there. It just comes in like a black bag. I actually got it I got it free 3-day shipping because I spent over $100, but I still had to pay like a $27 Quebec import tax. But I think that's just like a Quebec Canadian thing. I don't think you'd have to pay that if you were in like the US or other places, but I did have to pay that, which was unfun because it made shipping like $26. Although if I hadn't got my free shipping, it would have been like $40 shipping or something like that. So comes in a little bag like this. I guess you get some stickers and stuff. Let's open it up. Alright, so I'll start with the little like non-swimsuit items. I just have my shipping information. Cute. I have this little card that says like tag us, a chance to be featured with some pretty little girls in the front. Cute. Designed for the tropical soul. That's me. And we have a little like water bottle. No, this is like lemonade. And then a little bee. So those are really cute stickers if you want to like put those on your water bottle or whatever. And then I got 2.5 swimsuits. Here they are. I'm more excited now that I'm seeing them in person. And they might actually fit me. I have like a very, very small rib cage. Like I'm a 30 around. Like I'm actually like a 28, but like 30 for the band size for bras and stuff, which is very small. And so swimsuits that like these that aren't like adjustable sometimes like don't fit me at all and just slide off. So these look like they're gonna fit. The first thing I got was the red twist top. Okay, the Tanya Twist top. All of them are in the size small in red. So it's just like a plain red swimsuit top, adjustable straps, little thin spaghetti ones, and then like a little twisty. Yeah, I'm gonna try them on, so like I don't know if they'll fit yet, but should I just try them on now? If I don't try them on now, then how am I supposed to give you guys my review if they fit or not? Should I try these on? I have to take off my shoes. Okay, I'll try them on. Make the video better. Okay, so this is the first top. It's the red twisty one. I actually think it fits pretty good. I have it on like the loosest setting for the thing, and it like still fits me fine. So I think this one's actually really nice. It's pretty thin, but like I don't feel like it's cheap or anything. It's actually really nice quality. They're just like regular swimsuit material swimsuits, but like they're nice. They're like doubled up, so they're not sheer or anything. I don't know if you got a white one how it would be. I like this one, and the color is really good, and I'm like pretty small and skinny and stuff, and it like doesn't feel like it's gonna slip down or fall. They only come in small, medium, large, no extra small, so that's usually like an issue with me because I like to get extra small tops, but this one fits me fine, and the straps are adjustable, which is really nice. So yeah, this one is a success, I'd say. I really like it. And I didn't get bottoms because I already have red bottoms. Also, they're like not like the cheapest in the world. They're $40 each, so they're like $40 like per thing, so it's like $80 for a full swimsuit, which is like, it's expensive compared to like some, but it's also like pretty on par with kind of like nicer quality swimsuits, and these ones are really, really nice, I must say. I'm just gonna put on my coat so I don't have to like talk about the next swimsuit in the bikini top. I don't have to like change. The next one I got I'm super excited about. It's the yellow gingham. Yellow's my favorite color. This one also has adjustable straps, but it has like a bit of a wider strap, and then oh, it's a different clasp. This one's clasp is in black, which is kind of cool. It's a clasp like this, so you like unhook it like that. That took me like a minute to figure out, but I got it. So this one is not like adjustable at all in the clasp, so I don't know if this one's gonna fit me. Probably will. The color is so cute though. It's like really bright and yellow, and it has like a little tie in the front right there. I like it a lot. And then the bottoms are the same. This is the Izzy top in Marigold Gingham, and these are the Brooke bottoms in Marigold Gingham. Everything's in a size small. Has a cute little logo right here on the side. They're really nice quality actually. Very impressed. These ones are just like little yellow bottoms. I'll try on the yellow swimsuit now. Okay, this one is like a full swimsuit, so I thought I'd show it all at once in my mirror. I really like this one a lot actually. This is so cute. And the yellow, they fit me so surprisingly well, because I've seen the girls like on their Instagram that like have these swimsuits and they have like much bigger boobs than me, and they're just not as like small or round as me, but these actually fit me totally fine. And the material, like it's like thin and it's not padded, but it still like makes your boobs look pretty good. It doesn't like flatten you out or anything like that. And the tie is really cute, and you can actually untie this. The bottoms are nice quality too, and they're like nice and solid. And I got cheeky ones, so they're like a little more like up, but like there's like all different kinds. You can get like more bikini cut ones, and there's even like more cheeky like the thong ones and stuff. But yeah, like I really like these a lot actually. They're really cute. The straps are nice. The color is really pretty. The yellow doesn't make me look like too pale or anything like that. It's really nice. Okay, yeah, so final thoughts on these bikinis. I really like them a ton. I think that Blackbough is honestly like a really solid brand. I don't see any issues with like the stitching, the manufacturing of these swimsuits. Even though they're Instagram bikinis like made in Asia and stuff, I think they're pretty nice quality. The colors and the prints they have are super nice, and they honestly are really flattering for a ton of different body types. Because you can see on their Instagram, there's like pictures of all different sizes of people and all different styles of these swimsuits. They have a lot of different options for like cuts at the bottoms. There's a lot of different options for prints and cuts at the top. I think these are really cute, solid swimsuits, and honestly, like I'm very impressed. These are some of the nicest swimsuits that I own. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!